Hi guys, welcome back to the automation points. So in this tutorial, we will see about the download and installations of the JUnit. Okay guys, so JUnit is the test-driven development framework. So if you want to use the JUnit and if you want to develop your test using the JUnit, there should be some prerequisite on your system. So prerequisites are, so let's go on second slides. So this is the second slides we have. So here to use the JUnit guys, what prerequisite we need? We need the Java installed on our system, and we need Eclipse as a ID. So if let's say Java is installed and you have the Eclipse ID. So if you are using the Eclipse ID and you want to develop your test in Eclipse ID using JUnit, in this case there is no need to download and configure the JUnit on your system. Eclipse by default provide the JUnit. So to download and install the JUnit guys, what you need to do, just go on the Eclipse and create one Java project. Okay, or inside this Java project, let's start creating the JUnit test. So here inside this package, I'm going to create one class. Inside that class, I will create one JUnit test. So let's give the name install JUnit, right? Finish. Or inside this class, we will create one method, public void test one. Okay, and to mark this method as a JUnit test method, what we need to put, we need to put here the test unit annotation. So let's put the test unit JUnit test annotation like test. Okay. So once you will put this is the test annotation, here we are getting compile time issue. Why this compile time issue is coming? Because in this project JUnit, this jar file is not available. So what to make the jar file available, what we will do, just hover on this annotation, and it's Eclipse is suggesting you to add the JUnit library. So here, if you want to see all the available JUnits jar files on this Eclipse version, so you just click on fix the project. So here on the fixed project, you can see all the three available. By default, available jar file is available here. So let's add this fourth version and click OK. Once we have clicked OK, once after clicking the OK, here guys, you can see that JUnit jar file has been added, and inside this we have the two different jar, JUnit jar and Hemcrest jar. So these two jar file comes by default as a JUnit jar. Okay, now here why we are getting this issue, let's public debug class, and inside that we have written this method, but still okay. So this is when now this method is the JUnit method. So let's print here system output print and write inside this method installed JUnit. Right guys, installed JUnit, and now you can run this class as a JUnit test class. Just run it and it will print the SO installed JUnit, and you can see that without main class we are running this class. Why? Because JUnit test is here and this method is running as the JUnit test. So this is the one way how to install and configure JUnit in your project, a specific project where we want to create the JUnit test. So if you want to install the JUnit on your local system, so to install the JUnit on your, if you want to install the JUnit on your local machine, what you need to go, just you need to go on the official site of the JUnit. So here in this is the link to of the official site of the JUnit. So go there and just enter on this site. Also you can do the Google for the JUnit official site, and here you can see download and install the JUnit. Click here. So once it will be navigated to this page where we will get plain old jar, and this 2 jar is available. So just download this 2 jar file and add inside the Java variable, home path variable, and Java variable of your local machine. Okay, as we have added the Java in our path variable and environment variable. So this is how we can install JUnit using the Eclipse. This is the and how we can install it on your local machine, guys. So thank you, guys. So thank you so much. Please subscribe Automation Point channels to keep getting automation updates, guys. Thank you once again, guys.